Have no fear, player5 is here. Player5 is our submission to HackGT 12, and it's basically supposed to be a fifth player on your 4-person hackathon team to automate the tedious aspects of the hackathon development process. In reality, player5 is an npm package, and you can see here you can install it with npm I player5, and it actually is published on the npm registry. It's for public for use. You could install this right now if you wanted to. There's also a full, complete written out documentation regarding installation, configuration, automation, and API reference. Let's show you the use of player5 in the terminal. There's a lot of commands at your disposal when you download it. There's you can generate a README, or you can generate a dev post, which is actually how we generated our dev post, which is currently deployed and submitted for our submission for this jam. And there's also like a testing feature we'll explain later. Let's actually show you the biggest piece about player5 is the dashboard, which will open up on a web app. This web app is deployed. You can check this out if you want. And this is actually how we developed player5 internally. We use these actual core features. There's 4 pieces. There's the stats page, which gives you analytics regarding your GitHub repository, telling you how many commits you have, how many contributors, and just seeing your growth of your repository over time. There's also the issues tab, which just shows you a lot of bugs. These bugs are automatically generated by our testing suite that we'll explain later, and also like helps us keep track of what bugs we haven't squashed yet. There's the task section, which is helping us gauge what features we want to add and what features we don't want to add. Again, the function is just like the bugs page, except helps us keep track of things we are finishing and what we can't do in time. Keeps us on track. Finally, there's the testing suite. The testing suite is really nice because this allows you to see when and where what commits failed and helped break the next test. These tests are there so that we know if builds are successful or not before we deploy them to Vercel. All in all, the best thing about player5 is we actually used it. It actually helped us immensely developing this product and expedited the process tenfold. If you have any questions regarding player5 or its uses, please feel free to come over to us. Thank you so much and have a good day.